So, you just had your home remodeled with that stone, granite, or marble countertop you've always wanted. Can't wait to show other people how incredible it looks. How will you explain the floor and wall separation to them? Hi, I'm Joshua with Arizona Foundation Solutions. Have you ever wondered how a slab foundation can handle heavy loads? We don't often think about the sheer pressure our furniture can have except when it's moved. If your foundation isn't on sturdy ground, you could be looking at foundation problems sooner than you think. In this video, we will go over several items that can be a heavy burden on your foundation and what options you have to ensure you stay on the level. Heavy burden. Items impacting your foundation. Hot tubs are a popular addition to many homes, offering relaxation and luxury. However, when filled, a hot tub can weigh thousands of pounds. Placing it on an inadequate supported foundation can lead to structural issues over time. Grand or upright pianos are not only heavy, but also sensitive to change in the environment. A stable foundation is crucial to maintain the integrity of a piano's structure and sound quality. Especially large ones and heavy ones can exert substantial pressure on the foundation. Ensuring proper reinforcement is essential to prevent settling or cracking. The weight of a pool table combined with an impact of players can stress the foundation. Adequate support is necessary to prevent sagging or shifting. Waterbeds may seem innocent, but the water weight adds up quickly. Ensuring your foundation can bear this continuous load is crucial for avoiding these issues. While countertops contribute to the aesthetics of your home, heavy materials like stone, granite require proper support. Reinforcing the underlying foundation is essential for stability. Whether in the garage or a workshop, tool cabinets with an extensive collection of tools can become surprisingly heavy. Ensure your foundation can handle this load. Aquariums, especially large ones, are not only heavy but also require a stable foundation to prevent any further movement or cracking. Standard concrete slabs begin at 4 inches thick. Depending on what material was used and how properly it was cured, it can hold up to 3,500 pounds per square inch. When reinforcing the concrete with post-tension rebar or steel pads, the load-bearing capacity increases, sometimes by double. The advantage for some homeowners who build their own homes is knowing what they plan to place inside and reinforcing accordingly. Kitchens, for example, will have the concrete reinforced to support heavy countertops. If you know you'll be putting in heavy items, it would be good to consult with a structural engineer to find out what options you have. Strengthening your foundation, as mentioned earlier, standard countertops provide a baseline for support. However, understanding the specific load requirements for your heavy items is crucial. Here is a few considerations. Consult with a foundation repair expert. Before adding any items to your home, consult with a foundation repair expert. They can assess your foundation's current state and provide recommendations for reinforcement based on your specific needs. Reinforcement options. Post-tension rebar. This involves adding tension steel cables within the concrete to enhance its strength and load-bearing capacity. Placing steel pads strategically within the foundation can distribute the load more evenly, preventing concentrated pressure points. Custom reinforcement for kitchens. If you plan on installing heavy countertops, it's advisable to reinforce the kitchen area specifically. This proactive approach ensures stability and longevity. Investing in the proper foundation reinforcement is like an insurance policy for your home. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more valuable insights from Arizona Foundation Solutions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content, and we'll see you in the next video.